Today's discussion is know some important fact about land. Parcha, Dak, Khatian, etc. My friends, today I will be involved in a discussion with you on land issues in Bangladesh. In this discussion, I will try to give you an idea of some important issue related to land. I hope you will be able to gain a basic elementary understanding. If you write any comments on this matter, I will reply. Firstly, Namjari. Namjari, who is called in case of a new owner of land by purchase or inheritance or any other means, the process of registering the name of the new owner in the official register is called Namjari or mutation. What is rejected deposit? Dismissal of joint deposit and creation of a new Khatian by dividing joint deposit, that is called rejected deposit. What is jima harij? In other words, creation of new holding or Khatian by taking some part of land from the original Khatian is called jima harij. What is a Khatian? My dear friend, the description of land ownership prepared during land surveys called Khatian. Khatian is prepared based on Mauza. CS, RS, SA, and city surveys have been completed in our country. During these surveys, the land owner information is prepared called Khatian, like CS Khatian or RS Khatian or SA Khatian. What is paper? During land survey, the copy of the draft Khatian given to the landowners before the final Khatian is prepared is called Parcha. After this filed slip is attested or verified by the revenue or revenue officer, if any objection is raised, the Khatian is issued final after hearing it, and finally the copy of Khatian is called Parcha. So the topic of today's discussion is know some important facts about land, Parcha, Dak, Khatian, etc. My friends, today I will be involved in discussion with you on land issue in Bangladesh. In this discussion, I'll try to give you an elementary idea of some important issues related to land. I hope you will be able to gain some basic understanding. If you write any comments on this matter, I will reply you. What is Mauza? When the CS survey is conducted, one or more village unions, paras, mohallas are divided into different units and marked with serial number, and each of these divided unit is called Mauza. What is schedule? The detailed description that identified the land is called schedule. In a word, in the schedule, information such as name of Mauza number, Khatian number, Dag number, boundary of land, amount of land, etc. is inserted here. What is the spot number? When the survey map is prepared, each parcel of land is given a separate number to mark or identify the boundaries of the land on the Mauza map, and this number is called spot number. Each spot number can have different amount of land. Basically, the landowner's boundary under a Mauza is marked by Khatian or allies according to the dark number. What is white spot? During the land survey, the number given to each land unit of the design in the initial stage of design, preparing or revision. If any number is forgotten, then it is called dash. Again, at the initial stage, if the design is revised by combining two spots, then the spot number that is omitted is also called a running spot. What is Khanapuri? The process of filing in each column of the Khatian from by the survey officer during the preparation of the Khatian after preparing the Mauza Naksha at the time of survey is called Khanapuri. What is Amin? Amin is the name of the employee who prepares maps through land survey in engaging in land survey work. Kistwar. What is Kistwar? Kistwar is the method of preparing the plan by drawing the actual geographical map of the land accurately segmented by running the chain on the SICME line after preparing the during the land survey. The topics of today's discussion is know some important facts about land, Parcha, Khatian, etc. My friends, today I will be involved in a discussion with you on land issue of Bangladesh. In this discussion, I will try to give you an idea and basic idea of some important issues related to land. I hope you will be able to gain basic understanding. If you write any comments on this matter, I will reply. So, what is khazna? The tax collected by the government from the citizens for the use of land on an annual basis is called khazna or tax. What is filing? Land tax or rent receipt is the specified from a specified form. Form number 1077 is called dakhila. What is DCR? The receipt in the prescribed form number 222 after collecting of government dues other than land tax is called DCR. What is acceptance? Acceptance of the government's proposal to settle the land to the farmer is the acceptance of the letter of promise to pay the rent is called kabuliyat. What is the null land? Two or three crops plain land is called null land. What is a special land? Khas land is the land under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Lands of the government and supervised by the collector or DC on behalf of the government. What is Chandina Bhiti? The portion of permanent or temporary non-agricultural land allotted to the subjects of the Hat Bazaar is called Chandina Bhiti. What is Waqf? According to Islamic law, a land is donated by its owner for the purpose of bearing the expense of religious and social welfare institution called Waqf. The person who manages and supervise the Waqf property is called Motwali. Motwali cannot transfer the Waqf property without the permission of the Waqf administration or administrator. What is the property of debtor. According to Hinduism, land dedicated for religious purpose is called divination property. My dear friend, the topic of today's discussion is know some important fact of land, basically Parcha, Khatian, etc. My friends, today I will be involved in a discussion with you on land issue in Bangladesh. In this discussion, I will try to give you an idea of some important issues related Bangladeshi land. I hope you will be able to gain a basic understanding. If you write any comments on this matter, I will reply. What is Farais? The rules and process of distributing the property of deceased persons according to Islamic law is called Farais. What's here? Inheritance means here, according to religious law, if a person dies without a will, the person or persons among his wife, children, or near relatives who are qualified to own property left by him are called heirs. What is Shikoasti? The land that gets absorbed by the river due to the erosion of the river is called silt. If the Shikoesti land is vested within 30 years, then the person will was the owner of the land before the Shikoesti or his heirs will be entitled to the ownership of the said land subject to conditions. What is point? The creation of land by alluvial soil from the river bed is called payanti. What is the document? Any written statement admissible as legal evidence is called a document. However, according to the provisions of the Registration Act, the contract execution and registered by the land buyer and seller to transfer the property is known as deed. I hope you have been enriched by today's discussion. May everyone be well. I will be involved again with some new content. Until then, may everyone be safe. Best wishes for all. Thank you very much.